In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a scatter plot in Google Sheets. Whether you're analyzing data for your business, tracking trends, or just want a clear visual way to compare numbers, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet that has your data. In this example, we're looking at building sites for sale, comparing square footage to the overall price of the property. Once you're there, highlight all the data you want to include in your scatter plot. Make sure to select every column and row so nothing is missed. Next, click on the Insert menu and select Chart. Google Sheets will automatically suggest a chart type, and in this case, it usually detects a scatter plot, which is perfect. If it doesn't, don't worry, you can click the chart type drop-down and select Scatter Chart manually. Now your basic scatter plot will appear on the sheet. To make your chart more informative, click on the chart to open the chart editor. Then go to the Customize tab and select Series. Here you can add a trend line. Trend lines are great because they show how your data is trending at a glance. You can also change the color or style to make it easier to read. Another really useful feature is error bars. Error bars show the range of variation for your data points, helping you identify which points are typical and which might be outliers. Once you add a trend line and error bars, you'll quickly notice clusters in your data. These clusters help you see patterns, for example, identifying building sites that are well priced within a certain square footage range. Scatter plots make it easy to see these patterns without sorting through rows and rows of data manually. And that's really the advantage, unlike line charts or column charts. A scatter plot lets you spot outliers and find the areas that make the most sense for your analysis. Always use trend lines and error bars for extra clarity, as they give a deeper layer of information that can really guide your decisions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create clear and informative scatter plots in Google Sheets quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you, share it with others. Why not make someone's day easier with a simple tip like this?